Suspension of operation is to lay down arms and restore peace, not to fuel conflict, asserted Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur IPFM Chief Advisor ASHANG KASAR. Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur IPFM and Foothills Naga Coordination Committee FNCC have submitted a memorandum to Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla seeking clarity on the status and enforcement of suspension of operation SoO agreement. In the memorandum dated February 2, the organization stated that 2,167 cadres belonging to various SoO groups are currently lodged in designated camps across 5 districts of Manipur, namely Churachandpur, Teknopal, Kangpokpi, Chandel and Fersolal. While noting that the SoO agreement, originally signed in 2008, was extended beyond its expiry in 2025 with certain modifications, the group sought clarification on whether the number of SoO camps has been reduced to 7, whether arms and ammunition are under the custody of authorized central forces, and whether all registered cadres are strictly confined to their designated camps. The memorandum also expressed serious public concern over reports of armed militants moving freely with sophisticated weapons in different parts of the state. The organization stressed that if such individuals are SoO cadres, their actions amount to clear violation of the agreement and warrant immediate action. And if they are not, strict legal measures must be taken. Warning that continued ambiguity or inaction could erode public confidence in the rule of law, IPFM and FNCC urged the authorities to undertake comprehensive, transparent and time-bound review of the SoO framework and its enforcement, emphasizing that uniform and impartial action against all violations is essential to restoring peace and public trust in Manipur.
Masi Manipur da indigenous peoples in the Maragda foothills area Krada Damna Hojik the threat town the labor Aki Akang Paholiba Pandava Tokaliba Maya Punamakse Gari Chatpata Lutpatra Toba Luga Migi Lambda Hunda Naga area Sinda Leta Engross Toraga Popi Mayam Tata the Kotana Hojik Mai Thai Tade and Toba Punamakase Su Haiba agreement Asiki Maramna Wairaga Punamakse अखोई चौथोपलगा थोखिबदगी ngasi Manipurda yamna akaiba ama akhoi da pibire habagi tamakda Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji da aduga Governor of Manipur da SoO gi agreement 2008 da tokhiba mayam se public da detail ama status ama phajana pibiyu nataba taradi masi SoO sida peace thamningai lakningai natana hena Manipur da leminari punamak khana chalening akaibagi problem ama Wehankhre Habigi Matanda status as SoO Thambagi SoO agreement status se Akoida Athumada Pigadamani Habigi memorandum Mama Akoida Pisan Kibani.